Hey guys, how's it going? Seen this question floating around a lot. My lawnmower won't start, my riding lawnmower won't start. How do I fix it? What's something to look for? Figured I'd go over today in this video that topic. A lot of people aren't quite mechanically inclined in this stuff. I know a lot of my regular viewers to this channel are going to be looking at me saying, why the hell are you uploading a video like this? This is for the average everyday consumer out there who wants to save a few bucks and work on something on their own. This is aimed at them. So if you're just a regular subscriber to the channel coming here to watch a video of mine, stick around. If this isn't something of your style, you can go and watch something else. I won't get offended. Usually, when a lawnmower won't start, you go to turn the key and the engine's not cranking. I'm thinking about making this into a series, going over everything. Right now I'm going over the electrical system. Your lawnmower won't click. You turn the key, nothing happens. Well, you get lights and stuff, but nothing happens. The first thing to check would be your battery. Batteries do go dead over time if it's been sitting around for a little while. Usually you want your battery voltage to be around 12 volts. I would say low would be 10, maybe 9 volts, somewhere around there. So you'd want to throw your battery on the charger and let it charge. Most lawnmowers do charge themselves. I work on stuff from 80s and older, so a lot of my stuff doesn't really charge itself no more. I got to work on it. Starting off, this right here is your solenoid. The solenoid takes power from your battery. There is a positive hot lead, also you could call it, on your battery. Goes to one of the prongs on your solenoid. There's different types of solenoids. There's ones that have 2 posts right here. One of these posts is the one that your key switch connects to, delivers power to the coil inside of your solenoid that goes up, makes your starter start turning over. And then this one over here goes to ground. Doesn't matter which one of these terminals up here goes to the battery or the solenoid. They both, all it does is just raise a coil, that's it. Same with down here, it doesn't matter. You could swap them around all you want, it's not going to change anything. This is an older style solenoid. This is a one post solenoid. What it does is, same thing up here. This one goes to your battery, this one goes to your starter. Power comes in, power goes out. This goes to the key switch and it grounds through this down here. It doesn't need a ground terminal on here. It has a spot for one, but it doesn't need one. It just grounds through this bottom plate to the tractor. And after it does that, it gets power, turns over your engine, and you're on your way mowing your yard. Right here is the solenoid. This is a basic wiring diagram. This isn't really a professional wiring diagram. I could probably draw one up if I wanted to. Usually on your key switch, there will be a lead, a wire going from the battery to the... I should actually do that now that I think about that. My bad. Usually on your key switch, there will be a lead coming from the battery delivering power to the key switch. This right here is a key switch. You can see this is a basic key switch. It's a 5-prong. A lot of different key switch styles. I've seen 5-prong, I've seen 6-prong, I've seen 3-prong, 4-prong. A key switch is basically the same thing, no matter how you look at it, all except for each terminal does something different. This right here is the terminal that takes power from here to the solenoid, and then I think it's this one right here delivers power. It depends on the age. if you have one with points, if you have one with solid state. And then turn the key switch. It goes through this wire right here. This wire goes to your safeties. You've got your brake safety, PTO safety, brake safety. You push the brake pedal down, have the tractor in neutral, PTO turned off. And then after it goes through the safeties, it goes to your solenoid. And then you can see this post over here that goes to ground. And then the coil inside of here winds up, pushes up. These two terminals get connected. Power goes to your starter. Engine turns over, starts up, and you're on your way. In some situations, solenoid clicks, starter doesn't engage. Now what? Well, sometimes it doesn't have enough power in the battery to turn over the starter. Check your battery. If it says 12 volts on the battery, it might possibly be your solenoid is bad. Try putting a different solenoid on it. Solenoids usually go for what, 10 bucks, something like that. They're not that expensive. So they're not that badly priced. Go on there and order one, throw it on there, and if it works, then great. Other times, same situation, except for the solenoid doesn't click at all. If it doesn't click at all, that means your solenoid's bad or you're not getting power. Key switch could be bad. In that situation, you'd replace your key switch, and sometimes that would fix the problem, sometimes it won't. If it fixes the problem, great. If it doesn't, then oh well. Another thing you could try and do, just to make sure that power is getting through everything, is take a screwdriver, flathead, Phillips, it doesn't matter, and cross it between these two terminals right here. A lot of people say don't do it, but it's not going to hurt anything to do it. As long as you're not touching any part of the tractor, you should be fine. Any part that's ground. Take the screwdriver, run it between the two terminals right here. If the starter starts to turn over, that means that you've got a good starter and your starter's not the problem. If it doesn't start to turn over, then either something up here is wrong or your starter might be bad. This right here is your starter. It has one lead on it. This is your positive lead. It grounds through the engine block usually. Right here's your gear. This kicks out and it engages with the teeth on your flywheel, causing it to turn, and that's what starts up your motor. There are also generator starters on the older garden tractors. There's a pulley on the engine, either on the flywheel or the back, on the PTO shaft, and that turns over the engine and makes it start. Other times it's something different. But this is just a basic diagram. I'm not really getting into it all the way. Sometimes one of your safeties might be the problem. I've just bypassed all the safeties. It's not hard to bypass a safety. Just go in there with a couple, just go in there and look and see how it is. Sometimes you can make a little jumper wire and bypass it easily. Other times it's a little bit more difficult than just doing that. I also forgot seat safety. It seems like most lawnmowers nowadays have seat safeties. None of mine do. They're all bypassed. Well, I don't have any lawnmowers. I have garden tractors. My stuff was made back when safeties weren't really a thing. So, hopefully this video helps you guys out. 9 minutes. That's a little bit longer than I wanted it to be. Just kind of a quick little video to help you guys out. This is pretty much how all lawnmowers are. Basically, this is the diagram that you would want for it. Positive lead, negative lead. Make sure that your leads aren't swapped. Make sure the positive side is going to the positive and your negative side is going to the frame of the tractor. If it's not, then you've screwed something up majorly. Or just flip the two leads around and it should work, hopefully, if your lawnmower is not all computerized. I think that is pretty much it. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped you guys out some. Another situation that you might have is you might need to take your leads. Leads do get corroded over time. Take a little wire wheel or a piece of sandpaper and sand them down, clean them up, get the corrosion and stuff off of them. Sometimes that's all you need to do and that fixes it and you're on your way. Other times it's not really that easy. You got to do something a little bit more involved. But okay, now I think that is going to be it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope this video helped you guys out. Like I said, this is just supposed to be a little quick. I'll make it a quick tip Tuesday to help you guys in starting or figuring out your electrical system or what could possibly be wrong with your lawnmower. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I will see you all in the next video. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you're new. And to all the new viewers watching the channel, let me know what you think. Like I said, I might make this into a series, I might not. I need to start doing my Quick Tip Tuesdays again. I stopped doing them for a little while. I thought about doing this today. I thought, you know, that'd be a cool video to do. So I'm going to go on ahead and end the video right here. I want to thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I will see you all in the next video. That is going to be it. And I think that's it. Take care.